Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got all the DVD unboxing and of a DC movie. And first I'm going to be unboxing Black Adam, and which is kind of an interesting type of DC movie that I have seen. And I think I mentioned this in my Blue video unboxing. I'm not much into DC that much as the MCU. Yeah, but I gave some of these DC movies a try, and did find the ones that I did watch and pretty interesting. We got Black Adam himself on the top here, and the other characters that show up in the movie on the case here. And Black Adam has the similar powers to Billy Batson in Shazam. Herman is to the on the back of the case, and this is what it looks like on the back, with some of the scenes from the movie. And now it's about the case, and after taking down the plastic and take out the DVD heat disc. Now the plastic is off. Let's take a look on the inside. And this is what the DVD disc looks like for Black Adam. And that's about it for today's Black Adam DVD unboxing. And if you enjoyed today's DVD unboxing, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified of when new videos upload to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.